Okay guys, hari ni projek kita nak tukar lampu LED Thailook T10 kita nak tukarkan signal biasa kepada LED Thailook. Okay, nanti kita tunjuk cara-cara nak pasang. Alright. Okay guys, ni signal biasa nanti kita tunjuk signal yang dah pasang LED ni Thailook. Okay. Nak tengok cun tak cun lampu dia. Waktu malam mesti terang ni. Guys, motor ni dah pasang flasher LED ni sebab kita dah buat double signal kita dah buat double signal. Tak perlulah tukar flasher relay lagi terus plug in saja. Okay. Siapa yang tak tukar flasher relay nanti lampu dia jadi lambat Semua motor jenis yang boleh pakai T10 boleh pasang motor ni pastikan relay flasher kena tukar yang LED ni. Alright. Ok guys, sekarang kita buka cover lampu ni wave 1.4S ni kat lampu sini kat dada kita buka.
Where am I going now? Just falling over dreams. Now I'm just so far gone, this isn't what it seems. Taking me so damn long, it's fading from belief. I need to slow this down, it's burning from beneath. Come break this line, this love's in my eyes. Holding on for what it's worth, my life. I'm not on your side, I'll make it up the vine. Find my way to giants in the sky. Tonight it comes to life. desperate